Hello! Today, we're diving into the amazing world of blood. We'll take a closer look at red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes. We'll discover why they are red in almost all animals and explore why, in mammals, they lose their nucleus during maturation. In mammals and birds, the main factory is the red bone marrow. It's a soft tissue hidden deep inside bones, like the ribs, the spine, and the pelvis. This production process is called erythropoiesis. It starts with special master cells called hematopoietic stem cells. These cells have the amazing ability to transform into any type of blood cell. When the body needs more oxygen, these stem cells begin their transformation into red blood cells. For mammals, there is a dramatic final step. Before entering the bloodstream, the cell ejects its nucleus. This critical stage, where the nucleus is removed, is called the normoblast stage. The cell literally throws away its own deoxyribonucleic acid to make more space for oxygen. Once ejected, this nucleus is then ingested by a nearby macrophage, which breaks down and recycles its components. Mature mammalian red blood cells are unique because they completely lack all internal organelles, including mitochondria and ribosomes. This loss occurs during maturation, specifically at the reticulocyte stage, where the cell breaks down and removes these structures. This specialization maximizes internal space for carrying hemoglobin and prevents the cell from consuming the oxygen it transports. Complementing their lack of internal structures, erythrocytes are shaped like a concave disc to optimize surface area. This increased surface area is crucial for efficient gas exchange, specifically for oxygen diffusion into the cell and carbon dioxide diffusion out of the cell. Furthermore, this indented structure provides the erythrocyte with remarkable flexibility and deformability, allowing it to twist, fold, and squeeze through capillaries that are much narrower than its own diameter without being damaged. Unlike most mammals, camels, llamas, and alpacas have oval-shaped, elliptical red blood cells. This unique shape allows blood to flow smoothly even when the animal is severely dehydrated and the blood becomes highly viscous, thick. Despite their shape, these cells are incredibly resilient and flexible. They can expand up to 60% of their initial volume without bursting. Their high deformability allows them to navigate narrow capillaries easily, ensuring oxygen delivery in the harshest environments. Unlike mammals, avian red blood cells keep their nucleus and mitochondria throughout their lifespan. This allows for active gene expression, enabling cells to repair themselves and adapt metabolically during the stress of flight or hypoxia. They're elliptical, larger than mammalian cells, and naturally less deformable. Birds sacrifice physical cell flexibility for superior metabolic autonomy and cellular longevity. Unlike mammals, reptile red blood cells are nucleated, significantly larger and oval-shaped. The presence of the nucleus allows these cells to survive for a remarkably long time, 600 to 800 days. This long lifespan is a vital adaptation for ectotherms. It saves metabolic energy by reducing the need for constant blood cell production. This reliance on longevity over production speed has direct implications for recovery. Because the system is designed for stability rather than speed, blood regeneration is a naturally slow process. Clinical recovery from significant anemia can take up to 60 days. So, why is blood red? It all comes down to hemoglobin. This protein has iron atoms at its core, and when those atoms bind with oxygen, they change how they reflect light. That's what gives arterial blood its bright, vibrant red color. Next, let's look at hemoglobin, the life-sustaining protein. It consists of 4 globular subunits. Each of these subunits contains a heme group with a central iron atom at its core. This iron is what allows the protein to do its vital work. The primary role of hemoglobin is oxygen transport. The iron atoms bind oxygen in the lungs, carrying it through the bloodstream. This oxygen is then delivered to tissues to fuel metabolism and energy production. But the process doesn't stop there. Hemoglobin also facilitates carbon dioxide removal. It helps transport CO2, a waste product of metabolism, back to the lungs so it can be safely exhaled. This efficient cycle is what keeps the body's cells alive and functioning. In conclusion, we have explored the remarkable journey of the erythrocyte. We have covered everything from the intricate process of erythropoiesis to the unique structural adaptations across different species. It's clear that these cells are far more than simple oxygen carriers. Thank you for diving into the world of blood with me today. I hope this video has provided you with a deeper appreciation for these vital cells. See you in the next videos.